Today, it is a very historic day. It is the birthday of the great Renaissance personality Raja Ram Mohan Roy. On this occasion, from All India Save Education Committee, across the country we have released the draft education policy. It is a people's alternative to most controversial national policy on education 2020. Our demand is national education policy recommends for closure of government schools. We are vehemently opposing it. Our recommendation is no school should be closed. First point. Second point is why schools are getting closed? Because lack of strength. Why there is lack of strength? It is because there is the vacant teachers post. They are in lakhs. It has not been filled up. And teachers are being given non-academic work. This should not be given. This is our point. Next point what we are demanding is 10% of the central budget and 20 to 25% of the every state budget should be allocated for education. Third point is education, now it is in concurrent list, it should be brought back to state list. Next point what we are demanding is the 4-year degree program is elitist, it is pro-corporate. So that policy should be given up. 3-year degree program should be reintroduced. And next point is regarding the language policy. Our point is in the education, it should be 2-language formula, meaning mother tongue and English. At the same time, the rights of the linguistic and cultural minorities, their rights should be safeguarded. So, for them, the separate arrangement should be made so that in their mother tongue, they will get education. And next point is the commercialization of education. Whole education today, right from KG to PG, whole education is getting commercialized. And NEP 2020 is for commercialization, profiteering in education. We are deadly opposed to it. We are telling education should become the right and there should be no PPP model in education. And lastly, in the name of Indian knowledge system, glorifying the ancient Indian past, the entire history is being distorted to fan up communal mind, to create religious jingoism, particularly Hindu religious jingoism. We are deadly opposed to it. All the education is. Our point is education. The school textbooks should not become any political party's textbook. The education should be purely scientific and secular, meaning whatever is internationally accepted and scientific facts should be imparted to children. And in the education, it should create a national unity and integrity among the children, not to divide them on the basis of religion, caste or language. These are all condemnable. These are the major highlights of our People's Alternative Education Policy.